dkdynamics presents Wi-Fi switchboard.
Hello friends, as you know, I am Rob, have come back with some more new and fascinating project. So friends, we all know that there is a great development in the methods of switching, and the old methods of switching are manually as well as IR, radio frequency and the Bluetooth control. But friends, the much more advanced technology to control the devices is Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is much more advanced and convenient and as an easier technology to control the devices. So friends, nowadays the Android phones are used commonly. So friends, the Android phones are used for the home automation and for security purposes. So friends, these Android phones have inbuilt Wi-Fi. So friends, we don't need to make any Wi-Fi transmitter. So we only need the receiver. So friends, here we are developing an Android app which is going to control these devices. And friends, as we know that the Bluetooth has a very less range of covering of about 10 meters, but Wi-Fi has comparably a very large range of about 100 meters, and it can control various devices over very large distances. So friends, if we fit the Wi-Fi devices within a campus, we can control the lights, air conditioners as well as various other devices by using our mobile phone. Here we can do some more things, like we can make the robots fight in the war robo arena, and we can control our devices by sitting at a place. So friends, here is our Wi-Fi switch. So friends, here it consists of the following parts. So first of all, here is a programmable Wi-Fi module which we are using, and friends, it consists of this 6-volt relays, 4 6-volt relays and 4 optocoupler IC and indicator LEDs, power indicator LEDs and filter capacitor, full bridge wave rectifier and voltage regulator IC. And friends, it has a step down transformer, and we have connected 4 bulbs here to this connection. And friends, we are going to control it by using the mobile app. So friends, now I'm going to turn on the mobile app. So friends, here is our mobile app, and first of all I'm going to turn on the first one by my phone. Let's turn on, and second, and then third. Now friends, I'm going to switch off these. Friends, once again. Friends, in this way we can use our mobile phone as the Wi-Fi remote, and we can operate these devices over a very large distance of about 100 meters. And friends, it is very easy to make this Wi-Fi switch with the use of some very easily available components. And friends, if you have any query regarding this Wi-Fi switch, you can contact us, and for more details log on to www.dkdynamics.com. and friends, don't forget to like our videos, as the like are motivating us to make more new videos as well as to encourage the science. And so friends, don't forget to like our video, and please share and subscribe our channel for more new videos. And friends, don't forget to press the bell icon for the more new notifications of the new videos. So friends, I will be coming back with some more new and fascinating videos. Till then, thank you, goodbye.